What we're about to show you is a remarkable achievement, a revolution. Microfiber cloths designed in a way you've never seen before. Trapo Premium Microfiber really represents the biggest upgrade ever to the way we clean. Basically, we have figured out a way to make microfiber cloths. Yeah, bro. Is that a script? Like microfibers fun? Serious ah? Kau nak tak macam like microfibers fun? Bro, tak boleh dah bro, serius tak boleh dah. Okay. Yeah, are we continuing? Seriously? Sambung lagi? Okay. Good. Whatever. Fundamentally more absorbent, non-abrasive and durable. It is an absolute game changer. Discover a new level of shine with Trapo Premium Microfiber. Now available to you in the color, please. He's just gonna throw this to me. Okay. Is available in grey. Cut. Okay, thank you. But seriously fun? Maybe. I'll put it here. I can leave now.